Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a router to public Wi-Fi. First, ensure your travel router is powered on and ready. Connect your computer or phone to the router's default Wi-Fi network, usually found on a sticker. Open a web browser and navigate to the router's administration page, typically an IP address like 192.168.0.1. Once logged into your router's interface, look for a wireless or internet settings section. Here, you'll find an option to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the public Wi-Fi network you wish to connect to. If the public network requires a password or agreement to terms, enter those details as prompted by your router's setup wizard. After connecting to the public Wi-Fi, prioritize your security. It is highly recommended to use a VPN to encrypt your data, especially on public networks. Also, change your router's default login credentials to a strong, unique password. For the best performance, position your router centrally and away from obstructions to maximize its Wi-Fi coverage. If you encounter connection problems, try restarting your travel router and, if possible, the public Wi-Fi access point. Ensure your router's firmware is up to date for optimal performance and security. A good travel router can make a huge difference. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.